Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called Filezilla. Now, Filezilla is a software that is called FTP client, File Transfer Protocol client, that you have to install in your local system, in your computer. And there are various versions available for MacBook, for Windows, for Linux. So you have to download from filezilla.org. The Filezilla software, it's a free open source software, so you have to install, and then it would bridge you from the local system to your remote server. So after you purchase your web hosting server, they will provide you with a cPanel login details and FTP login details with a host name, username and a password. Now you, after installing Filezilla from Google search, you see Filezilla project, the free FTP solution. You can see Filezilla download. You see lots of links are there, so you can go to Filezilla and you can go to client download section. You can download Filezilla from them. This is for Mac and uh, this is for Mac. Automatically they're detecting my system, and if you are running from Windows, so automatically they would show you the Windows system. So after installing the Filezilla software in your system, now what you have to do, you have to log into Filezilla. You have to open your Filezilla, and then you have to put your host name, username and password there. Now mostly the host name comes with either ftp.xyz.com, something like that, or if it is secured, then it comes with ftpes colon, so like this. So username, and you have to put your password. You have to keep the port blank, you have to connect it. Now whenever you are connecting, it is showing here resolving address, and then it is retrieving the directory listing. Now you see this is the remote server you have connected, remote site. Now you click on this, so you see the different folders here. Now you find out the public_html folder, that is your website. So your website client sites.in, that resides in public_html. So we click on this and you see the different folders and files inside this. So these are the different files and folders you can see here. Now if you have to install, if you have to upload robots.txt or your sitemap, so you have to upload it in public_html folder, and you can see these subfolders like this body and mind, like Brustro. So these are the subfolders where you can install different WordPress or Magento, or you can keep them for testing purposes. So this is your folder structure, and automatically from cPanel, what we have earlier shown you, if you create subdomains, so automatically it would be created as a folder structure here, or if you install WordPress from SoftAcules, automatically this folder structure would be created in your server, and you can see it from Filezilla. Now the function of Filezilla is, if you have something to change on your server, say for example if we check this index.html page, so if we want to change something in this index.html page, so we download it in our first in our desktop. So we put into our desktop, say index.html, we just drag and drop it over here, just drag and drop it, so automatically index.html file would be here. So you see the queued files now transferring is in progress. Now you see automatically this index.html file is here, so you can open it with any kind of HTML editor. So we can open it with text wrangle. This is a text editor, HTML editor in MacBook. So we can open it with text wrangler, and we can see, we can edit this page. Now how this page is actually looks like, you can see here. So this is the page we are looking at, client sites.in/index.html. that is the file we are looking, this is we are seeing here. Now you see this is not opening. So if we see this, if we inspect it, something is missing there. So if you click on this, if you click and if you paste it here, now you see this is not there. So this link is not correct. So what we can do here, so we can edit it, the index file here. Now we can view it in a text wrap format. So let's come to this point. Now we need to view it as, so we soft wrap the text, so you can see this text total index file here. Now you would find here this CDN, this part. So we need to change this to this 7words.com WP contained uploads logo. So let us check with this if this is available or not. So we copy this URL, we go to here and we check whether this image is there or not. If it is there, yes, it is there. So we have to edit our page. So we have to edit this page, we have to save it. So we go here and so we have put it here. So we file here, we save this file. Now what we need to do, we need to go to our index desktop, index.html. we have to replace it again, we have to drag and drop it here. Do not drop it in any folder, just leave it in your public_html, not in any folder. So you paste it here, it would prompt you to overwrite. Now you see how it is prompting to overwrite. So you apply it, you make it okay. Now automatically this file would be replaced here. So the file has been replaced. Now you can check whether this is fine or not, how it is coming. It should come with the logo right now because we have changed it. So you see this logo is coming now. So in that way you can use Filezilla to connect with your remote server and you can upload your files there. Thank you.